our 79-inch two-door chest freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 79 inches in length with a depth from the front to the back of the hinge of the chest freezer. We have 33 inches in depth. And the overall height on small wheels, we have 37.5 inches tall. Dual swing door handles for the left and right compartment. Included would be 2 baskets that can shift from the left or right compartment, or both, with each basket measuring 10.5 inches in length, a depth measuring 24.5 inches, and the overall height from the bottom to the top of the handlebar, we have 10.5 inches, and a height without the handlebar, we have at least 8 3/4 inches. Measurements apply for the other basket. For the interior dimensions, we have an overall length of 73 inches and a depth of at least 25.5 inches. Overall height, 29.5 inches tall. Located on the right side of the chest freezer will be a step, and with that step, we have a measurement of 18 3/4 inches height, coming from the bottom of the step to the top of the chest freezer. And the measurement of the step itself, we have an overall height of 10 inches, overall depth of 25 inches, and the overall length measuring 12 inches. For the length with the step, and the length with the step, we have 61 inches. In the center, we have this partition that will split between the left and right door or the left and right compartment of the chest freezer. Locks included for the left and right, and handlebars to open and close this chest freezer. Underneath, we have the temperature gauge along with the light indicator for the power and operation. Coming to the corner will be your 110/120 voltage plug. Coming to the bottom left corner will be the drain. Last but not least, on the back of the chest freezer, we'll have the technical information along with the ETL certification for this unit. Also included will be a box of swivel caster wheels with bracket. These can be interchanged with the small wheels that's already intact and installed on the bottom of this chest freezer. So a box of caster wheels that can be interchanged will be included. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.